How you doing today? Welcome to Rail Crocs, Ontario. Today I got you one coming out of Sarnia, going eastbound. It was just a short train. Before we get into this video, I just want to make it aware. I was testing the waters pretty good with the old drone. So if you're a drone pilot and you love trains, have a listen, see here. Getting a little bit too comfortable getting the close-ups for you. And I had a visit from CN. So I just want you to know I had a little visit from CN. So I just want to let you know, you can fly beside the train with your drone as long as you're off CN property. The only time you can go over the railway is if you're 300 meters up, which is normal. That's normally what it is. But like I said, I was getting a little daring and it got me in trouble. So if you're a drone pilot and you're watching this video, I just want to come on here real quick and let you know, don't do what I did, because you get in a lot bigger trouble than just a ticket. You could. So I don't want to see anybody else get in trouble, so don't follow my leader, if you know what I'm saying. Keep off the CN property, fly beside it, get all the great angles of the dangles that way, and we'll all be good together, and we'll all keep on train fanning. So hopefully everybody's having a good day. Enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one.